All right, this is video number, I believe, 4. Okay, and today we're going to quickly talk about different data types in Python. For those who do not understand the term data type, this is basically different variety of data or different type of data which one can use in Python. I'm going to talk about the ones which are mostly used, and those who want to study in detail, I can guide you some resources that you can basically go and study about it. Okay. So I'm quickly going to share my screen from ChatGPT so that we can talk about what different data types we were referring to. Okay. So there are mainly the ones which I use. Those basically are numerical data type, then character data type, and then sequential data. Okay. The first one is integers, just as name suggests, it can be plus or minus number without a decimal point. That's a key differentiating factor. Okay. Then floats are basically the ones with a decimal point. Keep in mind, float takes a lot more memory than integers. So when you need an accurate calculation, you go for a float. Otherwise, you stick with the integers. Strings, those are character types as it is shown in the example. If you need to type somebody's name or any kind of string for that matter, that basically, or any type of characters for that matter, it will go into string type. Boolean are basically either yes or no type data. So for example, is the weather hot today? It's yes or no. Or is the temperature more than 90 degrees today? It's yes or no value. So those values you can store in Boolean data type. List is basically a sequence of items. Critical factor or important factor there is a list has to be in a square bracket. It can be a numerical list. It can be a list of strings. If it's a list of strings, it has to be in double quotation mark as shown here in help. Then dictionary is basically a key value pair. As shown in the example, name is basically a key here and Alice is the value. Now keep in mind, there can be multiple values in the double quotation here, Alice, then Amanda and Alex and multiple different things in addition to all that. And you use the key to access those values. Okay. Tuple is very much similar to basically a list, except it's immutable, and the bracket type in which you do the tuple is basically a circular bracket and not a rectangular one. And set is basically a collection of unique values. Now, are there more data types than this? Yes, you can see in my background, there are a lot more data types than this. Mostly those who I personally use: list, dictionaries, tuples, maybe once in a while, integer, float, string, and boolean. These are the commonly used data types. And what we'll do is the next video tomorrow, we will cover different operations on data types. Maybe we'll start with integer, float, string, and if possible, we might cover few operations on the list as well. Hope you like the video. If you like it, hit the like and subscribe button. Take care. Bye-bye.